Hello and welcome to This Is. Today we're going to be taking a look at this ATV, which is made by Hot Wheels. It is a Malaysia. It is upside down as well. I can definitely see Malaysia in all this. I kept repeating the same thing, Malaysia, Malaysia, Malaysia. I'm not sure why it says down there. It turns out that, well, actually I know. The reason why it says Malaysia down there because almost all Hot Wheels were made in Malaysia. They actually got a gigantic factory there just for the purpose of making Hot Wheels. I'm not sure why they didn't make it in like China and stuff like that, but instead they prefer this third world country. I think Malaysia is located like on top of Singapore. I think it's like the country that surrounds Singapore or something. So yeah, this is an ATV from Hot Wheels. The reason why I got it because it's so freaking cool. I mean, just look at that, an ATV from Hot Wheels. Like, who doesn't want one? I mean, it's 4 wheels. You know, it looks like a fun vehicle, like a very good thing to accompany my ATV, my dune buggy is with, and not to mention, just look at all those detail. I mean, they compress a lot of detail in this to the point that I am very, very impressed with it. Just look at that. Just look at the detail of the engine, the engine, and the bottom there, the axle and everything. They have to sculpt a lot of things in order to give it realism due to the fact that it is much bigger scale than anything else. So the sculpting will get a little bit more expensive. The detail needs to be shown a little bit by. So, you know, they have to go an extra mile in order to give us this. Just look at that. You can see the suspension going on. I don't think it's a Yamaha or something like that, but yeah. And due to the fact that this ATV, these quad motors, they are smaller than cars and they are smaller than motorcycles, so they cannot just compress it to a size in which you will be satisfied with. They need to be extremely detailed, and yeah, I have to say that they have a lot of detail compared to other Hot Wheels vehicles. I mean, just look at the handle there. You can see the brake handle, you can see the accelerator. There's no odometer for some reason, not sure why. Maybe the fact is a sporting vehicle and you don't care and you judge the speed but how fast you go. And then we got ourselves the headlamp detail over there, and the rear lights have there are no rear lights. So about the parts used in this thing, what the materials are. Now this whole thing on the bottom here, they're all made by metal, and on top here they're all plastic. And this is definitely plastic. I can feel the plastic key. There's all the plastic there. The steering wheel is made of plastic as well. So all in all, it's a pretty rigid and fun thing to have. I would definitely recommend getting one of these in your collection because it just looks really nice. It just looks really cool. I don't think that Hot Wheels will make something like this anymore. It looks so cool in the packaging. I lost the packaging, but I have to say that even in the packaging form, it looks pretty cool, and you will definitely be captured to it if you are a normal person. And I was a normal person, and I bought cool stuff like this back then. These days, though, I just buy what I need to buy to survive. Things has changed so much compared to when I was a kid to when I was an adult. So yeah, definitely get one of these if you see one. It's a very fun thing to have in your collection. So thanks for watching another video of mine. I appreciate it, and I'll see you again next time with another review.